everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to find and view Facebook memories. So please watch the video till the very end. First of all, you open your Facebook application and get logged in into your account. Once you have been logged in, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. There on the menu bar, you will see the options like Peers, Friends, Groups, Marketplace. Among these options, you will also find the Memories box over there. You tap open Memories. Now here you will find all the memories on Facebook that you've been looking for. You will be able to look for the memories on Facebook from the most recent to the very long time ago as well. Facebook will display several different pictures and other media from the today's days or the past years. You will see a section at the bottom of the page dedicated to the days previous to today's date. As you can see, I do not have any memories and this is just for tutorial. So if you have a Facebook account that you have been using from the past years, you will definitely find your memories over here on this page. So this is how you can find and view Facebook memories. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.